Guys, welcome to this new video on NLP, Natural Language Processing. In this video, we are going to learn something new about unsupervised text analysis. So I have found this very cool library called as Vader Sentiment, which actually takes in text and just gives you the sentiment of the text. So this is the GitHub page of Vader Sentiment, and here you will get the instructions how you could just install the Vader Sentiment using the pip command. So pip install Vader Sentiment. So let's use this library and see how useful it is to analyze the sentiment in random text. So let's get started. So firstly, we have to install Vader Sentiment. So we have this pip install in my Google Colab. So let us just pip install Vader Sentiment if you don't have it. So I already have Vader Sentiment. Then we have some dependencies like pandas. Okay. So then we have from the Vader Sentiment, we will be importing the sentiment intensity analyzer function, and we'll be creating an object called as analyzer based on the sentiment intensity analyzer. So once the analyzer object is created, we create a function, user defined function called a sentiment analyzer score, which takes in one argument, that is the sentence, which will be passed as a string, and then it will be passed through the polarity score method of this object. Polarity score method of this object, and then we'll be getting the score. So there is not much logic behind this user defined function, because we are actually using this library as an API. So let's just run this thing, and now we call the function called the sentiment analyzer score that we just wrote, and inside it we pass a string or a sentence, what we can say. So here the sentence is, I am very happy today. So just by looking at the sentence, you can say that it's a very positive sentence. So let's see how Vader Sentiment classifies it. So it shows that there is no negative emotion in it. It has around 0.5% of neutral emotion and 0.5% of positive emotion. So overall, we have this sentence as a positive sentence. So this was a pretty like a very vanilla sentence kind of stuff. And the next sentence that we have, so this was a very simple sentence, and it showed that it was a positive sentence. So the next is, we want to see the effect of punctuation. So here you see that this is a sentence that today is super cool, and we have this punctuation here, that is exclamation, and we go on increasing the punctuations here. So as we go on increasing the punctuation, the weight intensity of the sentence actually increases. So let's see if Vader Sentiment actually finds that. So here you see that the positive percentage goes on increasing as we go on increasing this exclamation mark. So let's just increase this to more and see. So yeah, it goes on increasing, and also the overall compound score also goes on increasing. So now let's see the effect of capitalization of words. So here we have a small word called as cool. This is super cool, and this is super cool. So let's see if this is captured by Vader Sentiment. So here you see that the positive emotion is actually increased. Now we see the effect of degree modifier. So here we have three sentences. Bank service here is good, bank service here is moderately good, and bank service here is extremely good. So these are called as degree modifier. That is, this sentence is actually more intensified than this one, and this one is more intensified than this and this. So let's see if this is also captured. So here you see that the positive sentiment is fairly stable, but the neutral sentiment also is increasing. So the overall compound score here you see has been increased, and this showed that this sentence is actually very positive. So let's see the effect of conjunctions. So what conjunctions are? Conjunctions are words like but. So here you see the sentences as such. Food here is extremely good, but the service is horrible. So if we see this first part of the sentence, it shows a positive emotion, but once the conjunctions are added, it might go towards the negative side too. So let's see the effect of this one. So here you see that we get some part as negative too, because we are using conjunctions here like but. So this changes the overall sentences sentiment to negative. Next is, we want to see the effect of preceding trigrams. So here we see sentences like the food here isn't really all that great, the food here isn't that great, the food here is not really all that great, and the food here is not that great. So here we have two nots and here we have isn't. So let's see that which of these go to negative. So you see here the last sentence here gives us negative sentiment here because we have the food here is not that great. But once we have this not and then we have this preceding, then we have this trigram all that great, so it actually doesn't show it as negative. So here you see that out of all these four sentences, only this sentence, that is the food here is not that great, has been classified as negative. Next, we want to see the effect of emojis here. So I think all of you must be aware about emojis. We use it daily in our texting and all. So let's see how the Vader sentiment classifies emojis. So this emoji, it looks happy here. So we see that the compound score is happy. Then this is also happy emoji. We see compound score is happy. Then we have this last emoji, which has negative. That is, it looks sad. So the negative score is high, and the overall compound score is also negative. So Meta Sentiment is able to classify emojis too. Now we will be seeing the effect of slangs in the sentences using Vader sentiment. So this is a slang that is used all over the internet. I won't take it. I think you guys can just read it and see. So let's see how it classifies slangs. So it is classifying slangs here and it is showing that this sentence actually is negative and also the second sentence, but the negative intensity of this first sentence is very high, but and the second sentence negative intensity is there but it is not as high because we have here a conjunction as well as I'll get by Rolf. So next let's see the effect of emoticons. So what emoticons are? Emoticons are this kind of uh, structures in your sentences which actually resemble uh, a human emotion. So here the emotion is smiling, here the emotion is smiling a little bit more. So let's see if Better Sentiment classifies that. So it shows yes, it is actually a positive sentence because we have smiling emojis here. Sorry, smiling emoticons here, and therefore this overall sentence is positive. So now let's see if we have a bunch of sentences here. So we have a empty list here in scores. We have some sentences here. A really bad worst movie to watch. I hate this movie. So it shows that like just by reading we can say it's a negative review towards the movie. So we'll pass it to the analyzer object, get the polarity score and append it to the scores list and convert it to a data frame. Then we print the data frame and then we try to get the overall sentiment of the sentences. So here you see that the first sentence is actually negative. It is 62% negative. Second sentence 39% negative. And we also have some neutral scores for both of them. But overall, if you see the compound score, it shows that both of them are very, very negative. First one is very highly negative. And if we see the overall sentiment score for the multiple sentences, it shows it is negative and it is 50%. We are 50% sure that this both these sentences are negative. And if we see the mean of negative, positive and compound score, so this is the mean that 36% both the sentences are negative and we have the compound score of 61% of this sentences being negative. So this is how the Vader sentiment actually works and it is a very simple and very beautiful API that Vader sentiment provides and I hope that you guys also can use Vader sentiment in your NLP projects to get more value out of it. So enough for this video. I hope that whatever I have shown in this video is clear to you. Feel free to ask any questions that you have regarding this video. And also let us give Vader Sentiment a star here for their fabulous work. See you next time.